In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the head pointer effect or feature on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select where it says Pointer Control. And then scrolling down again underneath alternate control methods, if head pointer is toggled to the right and lit up blue, you just want to click inside that oval to toggle to the left until it's grayed out, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.